How to use my eyes only on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can set up and use my eyes only on Snapchat. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to use my eyes only on Snapchat, you can first go ahead and open up Snapchat, right? Once you open up Snapchat, you want to head over to your memories, and now here what you want to do is if you scroll to the right at the top, you should be able to see my eyes only option. You want to tap on it. Now in my case, I have already set it up, but if you don't have set it up, then it'll ask you to set it up, and once you tap on setup, it'll ask you to enter in a passcode and re-enter it, and once you do so, your my eyes only will be set up. Now once it's set up, what you can do is snaps, how to move your snaps to my eyes only, right? You want to head into your memories, then you want to select a particular snap, and then you want to tap on more, and you can see their hide snap option. You can tap on it and you can move it to my eyes only, and next time you want to view the snap, you want to head into my eyes only, and then you want to enter in your passcode and it will load up and you'll be able to view it, and you can hide it from others. So this way you can use my eyes only on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.